Welcome to today's video edition of OCAST Monthly Newsletter. Glad you could join us. I'm Leah Malloy, and today we have Chad Mullen. Chad, thanks for joining us.
Well, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Can you tell us a little bit about what's going on at OCAST right now?
Sure. Excited to do that. We have a lot of good things going on. For one thing, on August 26th, we have our Oklahoma Technology Showcase. This is the fourth year that we've done this. We're very excited about it. This year it'll be held at the NSU, Northeastern State University's campus in Broken Arrows. That's 101st and the Creek Turnpike. We have 6 companies that will be participating in the showcase, and they'll be talking about what they had to go through to start their company, some of the successes they've had, and some of the lessons that they've learned. We'll also have 3 interns that are part of our intern partnership program. They'll be presenting about their experience. Our guest speaker is Jim Bryce from Google, so we're excited to have him there. 1 Million Cups will be presenting at the beginning of the showcase, and at the end of the showcase, and perhaps the best part about the showcase, we'll have a dessert reception followed by a robotics demonstration and a little bit of a robotics challenge. So we're very excited about the showcase. The other thing I want to talk about, we just recently wrapped up our OSSM summer camp, so that's the Oklahoma School for Science and Math, and OCAST got together and due completely to a large grant from GE, from the GE Foundation, and we're very thankful for that. We're able to send 50 kids from all across the state through a summer STEM camp held at OSSM. It was a residential camp, so they stayed on the camp. Probably the best part about the camp was at the end of the day, they worked on an engineering challenge. So we had 2 engineers from GE that volunteered their time to come and mentor these kids. There was a challenge, there was a competition, there were prizes at the end, and the kids absolutely loved it. We talked to several of the kids. They thought it was great because some of the things they learned, they may not be able to necessarily learn at their schools back home. So it was a great program, and we're very thankful to the GE Foundation for making this possible.
Fantastic. Those sound like both great events. Anything else going on?
Well, we've got a couple of good things going on in-house, if you will. For one thing, our intern partnership program, the applications are now open for that. So if you're a business and you have an R&D project that you're wanting some undergraduate student intern help on, we can help offset that cost. So visit our website, you can learn more about that. It's a really great program. We've had a lot of success in getting students that are at our major universities to go out and work with companies all across the state, and a lot of times they end up working for those companies full time. So we're very excited about the intern partnership program. The applications, we're taking applications for that now, so check the website on that. Also, one of our great partners is the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. They currently have an export tech program going on, and what that is it's a program where if you're a business and you're thinking about exporting your products, there's a lot of obstacles you have to jump through, maybe hurdles that you have to get through to export your product. The Export Tech program will help you, first off, figure out if you even want to do it, if it's worth it, if it fits in your business model, and then secondly, if it does, what are the best ways of doing that? So some great programs going on with the Manufacturing Alliance, and you can visit OCAST.com.gov to find out more about that.
Great, all good information. Is there any dates we should be watching out for, anything coming up that we should keep an eye out for?
Well, 3 things I'll say. Make sure and register for the Tech Showcase. It's August 26th. That'll be coming up very quickly. November 16th, mark your calendar. We're going to have a regional innovation forum in Durant where we talk about taking a regional approach, so the whole southeast part of the state, what are some good ideas and best practices from other parts of our state and other states to taking a regional approach to developing that innovation economy that we know helps grow and diversify Oklahoma's economy. The other thing that I would remind everyone, we have a great radio show, Innovations Oklahoma. It's been on the air for 20 years now. It's broadcast all across the state at different times on Saturday and Sunday, so check our website and you can find out when it's on in your area. And you can also download the current broadcasts and previous ones as well.